the best. Go.
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय
पाकिस्तान
जिंदाबाद
पाकिस्तान
जिंदाबाद
पाकिस्तान
जिंदाबाद
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय 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 मातरम 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 मातरम
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय
करो कुछ ऐसा देश का सम्मान बढ़ जाए, करो कुछ ऐसा देश का सम्मान बढ़ जाए, मरो तो ऐसे कि तिरंगे की शान बढ़ जाए। भरो पिचकारी ऐसे तीन रंगों की, जब कपड़ों पर पड़े तो हिंदुस्तान बन जाए, जब कपड़ों पर पड़े तो हिंदुस्तान बन जाए।
A very good morning to each and everyone present here. Respected Captain of Vijayaram 2022, Rector of Kathua Campus, Dr. Meenakshi Kilam, Ambassador of Vijayaram 2022, Solo Shastri Sir, dignitaries, teachers, non-teaching staff, and all my dear friends. On the behalf of entire organizing team, welcome you all on the occasion of celebration of 51 Vijay Divas. This is the day we celebrate to commemorate the historical victory of India over Pakistan in the 1971 war. We salute all our brave soldiers of the Indian Armed Forces who laid their life fighting for our nation. Kathua Campus, University of Jammu, feel proud and grateful in collaborating today's run with Pakistan. Ek Fit Bharat. Sorrow. And to know suffering of those who are burning in the fire of sorrow. Light and brightness has always been erected with the positivity and motivation. And this is what is stated with spiritual blessing.
Vijay Run 2022 and Director Kathua Campus, University of Jammu, Dr. Meenakshi Kilam. JCO Sahab, Shri Avtar Singh Ji, today's invited speaker. My all colleagues, faculty members from MCA, MBA, UIT and English, non-teaching staff, dear participants, students, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome the captain of today's program, that is Vijay Run 2022, which we are celebrating today in collaboration with Pakistan Ek Fit Bharat. In this program, I welcome Dr. Meenakshi Kilam ma'am, who is the captain of the today's program, and this Pakistan Ek Fit Bharat is an organization which is actually celebrating this day all over the nation. Celebrating for 3 days from today, that is 16th of December 2022 to 18th of December 2022. So India is celebrating this day, that is Vijay Diwas, for 3 consecutive days.
से बिजली कड़के लाल लहू बहे धरती, तलवार से बिजली कड़के लाल लहू बहे धरती, हे बरदे प्रभु मोहे, विजय होया वीर गति, विजय होया वीर गति. After his tank got another hit, he had taken martyrdom and sacrificed his own life for the nation at age of just 23 years, when most of us don't even know where we are going. In the battles, 27 Pakistani tanks were destroyed. This was the biggest loss to the enemy in any single battle in the entire 1971 war by a single regiment. India had also taken control of additional 388 square kilometers of Pakistan territory, which was later returned after negotiation. And the young officer, 2nd Lieutenant Arun Khetrwal, was awarded Paramveer Chakra posthumously for his supreme sacrifice for the nation, and the Indian flag rose with the rising sun.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहां रहूं जहां में याद रहे तू. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आंख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
कर दूंगा ये काफी तुमको जमीन दोस्त, कर दूंगा ये काफी तुमको, जो भी मेरी धरती माँ की तरफ आंख उठाएगा, जो भी मेरी धरती माँ की तरफ आंख उठाएगा. चप्पे चप्पे पे होगी मेरी नजर, चप्पे चप्पे पे होगी मेरी नजर. देश के हर एक गद्दार को मार भगाऊंगा, मैं हर एक दुश्मन को सबक सिखाऊंगा. इस धरती माँ की खातिर, अपनी इस धरती माँ के खातिर अपनी जान को खुशी खुशी निशावर कर दूंगा, मैं खुशी खुशी निशावर कर दूंगा, मैं खुशी खुशी निशावर कर दूंगा.
The activities, events, the remembrance of this day and its achievements is all the learning we can learn, observe and gather. We learn to surrender sometimes, because when there is no way, surrender is the way. But after all, it was all about a war we are talking about. War. Can something be learned from a war? Is it a necessity? If yes, then why and when? In our holy book Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Sukhe dukhe samay kartavya, labha labho jaya jayo, tato yudhaya jujussava, naivam apamavyase. अर्थात जय पराजय, लाभ हानि, दुख सुख को समान करके फिर युद्ध में लग जा. Although everyone's way of receiving the knowledge and the learnings is different, so everyone will reflect different perspectives on learning according to their domain. I would like to end this on a note that we should always carry intention to grow, to learn and to evolve. Thank you.
दोस्तों, सैनिक देश की धड़कन होते हैं. जब ये सरहद पर जाते हैं, तभी हम अपने घरों में चैन की नींद सो पाते हैं. जनवरी की ठंड में हम घर से बाहर नहीं निकलते, और हमारे देश के जवान ऐसी बर्फीली ठंड में सरहदों पर देश की रक्षा करते हैं.
आज तक का सबसे बड़ा आतंकी हमला बताया जा रहा है. ये हमला जम्मू कश्मीर के पुलवामा सेक्टर में हुआ है. रात के अंधेरे का फायदा उठाकर आतंकियों ने सेना के बेस के ऊपर हमला करा, जिसमें 17 जवान घायल हो गए हैं।
Madam, on the Josh! Hi, sir! On the Josh! Hi, sir! I said, on the Josh! Hi, sir! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Now,
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं, अब तो हमें साथी है, बस इतना ही कहना।
कैप्टन अग्रवाल ने टेररिस्ट के मेन लीडर को मार दिया है और उनको वीर गति प्राप्त हो चुकी है। अब तो हमारा तिरंगा झंडा भी हमसे ये पूछने लगा है कि क्या बात है भारत, आजकल मैं फहराने से ज्यादा ते कपड़ में दफनाने के क्यों काम आ रहा हूँ। मोदे हृदय तो उस दिन फट गया जब बूढ़ी माँ अपने बेटे के चित्रों को देखकर बोली कि साहब आप तो वर्दी में 1 इंच भी कम नहीं लेते, मैं ये आधा शरीर कैसे ले लूं। शहीद हुए जवान की विधवा की बेटा ये चीख चीख कर ये कहती है कि प्यार भी भरपूर गया, मांग का सिंदूर गया, नन्हे नौने हालों की लंगोटियां चली गई, छोटी छोटी बेटियों की चोटियां चली गई और आपके लिए तो एक आदमी मरा है साहब, मेरे घर की तो रोटियां ही चली गई।
तक रही थी माँ घर का दरवाजा, शायद अंधेरा कुछ ज्यादा हो गया। कहां से लाऊं वो जुबान जो बता सके, कहां से लाऊं वो जुबान जो बता सके कि बेटा तेरा चमकता सितारा हो गया, कि बेटा तेरा चमकता सितारा हो गया।
डायरेक्टर मैम ने हमारे को सुझाव दिया और आप सबके संयोग से ये दिन मनाया जा रहा है। हमारे लिए, आप सबके लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है। एक सैनिक के जीवन काल में उसकी सर्विस के दौरान काफ़ी सारे उतार चढ़ाव आते रहते हैं। कभी उसकी सर्विस के दौरान अच्छा समय भी निकलता है और कभी काफ़ी सारी कठिनाइयाँ भी आती हैं। मैं उन दोनों की बात करूं जब कारगिल की लड़ाई चल रही थी, तो मैं भी कारगिल की लड़ाई में शामिल था। भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय!
Happy Vijay Diwas to all of you. Mera Kashmir Happy Vijay Diwas. First of all, let me congratulate all of you for organizing today's event. We're celebrating national festivals with the same sense of involvement and gaiety as we do our own birthdays, our own family functions, our own religious functions. That spirit is required in all of us. And I thought after the Independence Day, this was a very nice opportunity to inculcate a lot of us, each one of us, including myself, to celebrate the national festival just as we celebrate our own personal and family occasions. I'm feeling very happy the way this event turned out, and I had a certain plan in mind. I had a lot of friends who were veterans and who are still serving in the army, and I encountered in KB, and I also have my friends in the army or our veterans, and then I came to know that this is how it has been going on in the last few years. So I wanted the same thing here, and we are right in the middle of the cantonment, middle of the army, land of Kathua, the land of rape, people. We have neighboring villages, we have families of martyrs, we have veterans, we have families, as well as certain soldiers and officers. So, if not Kathua campus, then which institution should celebrate it more? So I'm glad the way it went out, the whole function, though we did not do it on a very large scale, because this merits, we could actually put the whole Kathua town on fire, and I know you have that fire in you. Now I'm confident. I was a little less confident, so I wanted a smaller scale thing. But now, be ready for bigger events and bigger, and we can do it. It was really good. Everything. Thank you, Dr. Saurabh Shastri, and each one of you who helped him directly, indirectly, in whatever way, all the faculty members, all the students, all the non-teaching staff, and of course our JCO staff.
Rector Kathua Campus, University of Jammu, and Captain of Vijay Run 2022, Dr. Meenakshi Kilam, Dr. Saurabh Shastri, HOD, MCA, and Ambassador of Vijay Run 2022, Shri Avtar Singh Ji, Retired Junior Commissioned Officer, faculty members, students, and non-teaching staff. I feel very privileged to stand in front of you to render vote of thanks on this occasion of Vijay Divas 2022 in collaboration with Fit India, A Fit Bharat. Ma'am, we are all like the bundle of infinite potential, but unlocking of that potential, thereby realizing our own abilities on daily basis is attributed to you. Thank you. I extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Saurabh Shastri, HOD Computer Science and Ambassador of Vijay Run 2022, who executed the plan of Rector Ma'am to organize the Vijay Divas 2022 in Kathua campus.
I think we should all.
We are also thankful to Shri Avtar Singh, Retired Junior Commissioned Officer, for invited talk and helping us for the smooth conduct of today's program. Thank you, sir. I would also take this opportunity to thank Mr. Gaurav Sharma, Ms. Ritika Goyal, Dr. Sunny Sharma, Dr. Sahin Ansari, Ms. Avni Sharma, Ms. Tiharika, Ms. Kamakshi, Dr. Seema Jambal, Mr. Sushant, Dr. Shivani, Mr. Sandeep, Ms. Komal, Ms. Ritika, and other faculty members for their cooperation throughout this entire thing. I take this opportunity to thank non-teaching staff of the campus who have always contributed for this program. Now let me thank the real pillars of this program, the students of MCA, MBA, UIT and English who prepared the activities for this program in just 2 days. I once again express my gratitude to one and all to be the part of this movement. Thank you.